Hey guys, I'm trying to move this around so it looks easier. I've wanted this long all night. I took it a few times earlier and didn't do so well, so I might try a few more times. See if I can get back some of those losses. It's almost 8 o'clock. My knee's like rubbing against this desk. See, we're moving up here. See if we can get this. 75. I could take it at 50. So this is Tradeovate. This is the DOM, which is the depth of market. You can get it on a lot of futures accounts, like Infinity Futures and TradeStation, Ninja Trader. They all have DOMs. Even Thinkorswim has a DOM. This is my oil chart. I like the oil above 18. I'll put a buy here. See if we get up to 350. I need to answer some messages. I need to minimize this. So if you get the clicking on my computer, I have a clicky keyboard. Here we go. I might get this one fill. Our records only went on doing this order. Locked plugin. I know I saw an update for this somewhere. Oh, I'm about to get filled on this first one. And then Jing 2.7 is now available. Oh, that's 5 years ago. Jeez. Jing's being places. Oh, is it 8 o'clock? 9 o'clock? Here we go. Give it some room to breathe. I always say that. You go to screencast and download as part of the launch or order feature in the bright.
Order filled.
There we go. Now I can move this up. I don't know why I can't find this. over a decade. Updated 2 hours ago. Jing is being replaced. What? I love Jing. Tried, does not work. Here's a quick video. Like a second. I'm trying one.
Stop field.
Alright, so stopped in that. I forget what ad it's sitting at. I can just see. I can't find this link. I don't know why. I need to go back. I'm going to hear that. I don't want to hear that. I don't know if I can find this. Oops. Get back above to 3103. I'll probably get long again. I'll wait and see. Thursday night, I need to close my blinds. I hate when I feel like people can see inside my house because my blinds are open and it's nighttime and I have this big bright computer on my face. I don't know why I won't delete these. Cut, delete. I don't know why I'm so set on tonight being a long. I don't know. I just feel like that move up was really nice in 6 o'clock and I missed that, and so maybe I was hoping to get some of that. I don't really know. How's there a copyright claim on that? Oh, I had music in the background. That's what it was. Oops. I'm gonna have to redo that video. I know, because I didn't actually mean to have, like, I had like Adele on in the background or something, and I didn't mean to. I didn't really know I did. Oops, 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 oops. So dropping down now. Let's see. It's really moving down. So this is where it was before, and then it found some support. So if it drops below this 97 area, I'll take a short. Ooh, there it goes.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see what happens here. The next level I have is 94.50 and then 92. So it's 94 and then 92. See if we can get those. Let's see. Cancel this. God, I haven't streamed since May 17th. That's so long ago. I feel like I've been so busy lately and things have just been crazy, crazy, crazy. I might as well just take this one out now too. Alright, so we're moving down, making new lows. I really want to remove these columns. I'm trying to delete columns on this spreadsheet and it's just like not happening. Oh, see, it worked that way. Oh, shoot. Don't do that. Don't do that. Alright, maybe I... Oh, again. Maybe I just needed to go backwards or something. Which doesn't make any sense, but it worked. Great. Great, great. Maybe because I had some information like flowing over. I don't know. Alright. This is good. This is good. My app keeps going off. It actually looks like oil's gonna make a new. Yeah, I actually might get in this.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't know if my bracket's on here. 39.06. So you go back to at least 39.01. Yes, it's moving down nicely. For the low screen protection program. Let me see if this one works. Try this one. Alright, what else is going on? I can't play any music or else I'll get copyrighted again. So sensitive about that. I'm gonna have to redo that. What are the comments on here? Who do you use for the charts, just out of curiosity? Oh. See if we can move down here. If not, I might get out of this. Looks kind of boring. Oh, you know what it's probably waiting for? Actually, I might add.
Order filled.
Because it's about to be, it's 9:13. It's about to be between like 9:15 and 9:20 is when like the Chinese government puts out their, I don't know, like their economic numbers for the day, and it's always like super volatile, so I don't think it's going to shoot up. If it does, obviously I'll get out, but that's why it's being held. I forgot, like I just looked at the time and it was 9:13 and I was like, oh, that's why. They're probably just holding it until they come out with their numbers and flush it down. Let's see. It's so funny because this, I feel like it's not as intimate. Oh, here it goes. It's not as intimate as like when I'm doing live on TikTok. I really like doing lives on TikToks because I can like answer questions at the same time when people have questions. Like, so like, I don't know if people watching this right now would have questions about my platform or not, you know? So I don't know if I should just randomly answer questions. Like,
order filled.
There we go. Got one filled. Move this down just to be safe. I like to move down to like break even or break even plus 1 or 2 after I get a nice move. So you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if you watching this will be like, oh, what is this? And this is Tradeovate. So this is my broker. This is Tradeovate. This is a DOM, a depth of market. And then the background here, this is Thinkorswim.
Stop filled.
So I got stopped on that push up, which is fine. I still got another like $30 in there. I am red here. I'm still in this short for oil. I might get out of that. We'll see. And it's still only 9:15, so we'll see what happens here with the Chinese economic numbers. But yeah, in the background here is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. We may hold this level here at this pivot that I have, which is like 95. So if we start moving back up, especially over 97, 98, I will take a long. Even though I've been trying to take a long all night and I feel like it hasn't been working. So they say the trend is your friend. Oops, I was trying to push send and I pushed on a notification. All right, so let's see what happens here. Like I said, I'll probably take this long above 98.
Order filled.
There you go. I might grab another one if we really start moving here, because I really don't have anything until like 4 or 5. But it's 9:17, so I don't think those numbers have come out yet. I'm going to move this up a little bit to protect my equity. It may come back and like swipe me out to move higher. We'll see. I guess I can move it down here. I guess. So yeah, this is Trade of 8, my broker. This is a depth of market. I'm trading the S&P 500. So I'm in at this price looking to go long. And it's also noted right here. And then on this side, I usually keep like oil and gold. So I usually keep my indexes on one and then my oil and gold on the other. I might grab another one here.
Order filled.
All right, let's see. This one at 99.75. Get one filled. There we go. Come on. I end up like moving this a lot. I'll like click and drag it like all the time. It's like one tick away. Look, one tick away. One tick away. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. All right. The economic report should be coming out. It's 9:18. Any moment now. See if we can push over this 3100. I might get rid of this. I wasn't even paying attention. I'm still in it.
Order filled.
So I got out minus $50 on this oil, because typically oil and the S&P 500 run together. So if it's going to push up here, especially over this 18, I would even take a long.
Order filled.
Oh shoot, I meant to do a limit long and I just clicked over there. That was stupid. Saving this up. I have 3 left. See if we can get this 101.25. I will keep moving this up just to get a little more equity. This is why I don't have really long plays typically, because I keep my trailing stop really close. I still need to close my blinds. I'm still sitting here with like my blinds open and the world being able to see me. Well, I guess not the world. It's like a small community, but still. This is so weird to me. Yeah, I might get stopped here.
Stop filled.
Alright, so that's okay. So that was stopped. It was still like plus 75 or something. This one I didn't mean to get in yet until I was going to do it at 39.20. I still don't think the report's come out. It's 9:20 now. You'll see when the report comes out, it will like fly. So I'm going to get ready to maybe get back in. It was all the way up to like 65 already tonight. Oil. It was like a crazy run it had. So you can see on my charts, I have these EMAs. I really don't use them. A lot of people ask like what indicators I use. I don't really use them at all. Like, they're on my screen, but I never actually pay attention to them, which is crazy, right? Oh, this might be the report.
Order filled.
All right, let's see if we can get a little bit here. I'd like to add, but I'm a little late. Ooh, oil's moving up. That's good. Yep. Oil needs to stay above this 17.5 because I have a level there. I don't know if I'll get to the 5.7. We have a level at 4. Where's the LIS 1? Let me see. Oh, it is. It's 02. What am I thinking? I was thinking it was 04. That was the LIS yesterday. So our LIS, like our line in the sand for the night, is 3102.25. So that's probably why he's having a hard time here. But if it gets over that, it could definitely fly. I might take a little chance here on that.
Order filled.
Alright, I have 4 now. I need to bring one of these down because I'm trying to get at least one of them filled. Hopefully. This 375 is fine. But one of my members was talking about getting a demo for MT5. I didn't even know if there was a demo available for that, but I guess there is. I told him to ask the broker. I really want to give this some room. Like 98. Three points. Pretty appropriate for ES, especially with the volatility that's been happening lately. I don't know if they came out with their numbers yet. It's 9:23, so it's a little late. But I feel like it's kind of been slow for a few minutes. Unless they did it like right at 9:15 when we had that first push up. Like 9:14, whatever that was. Let's see what happens here. And then I'll probably call it a night. Like I said, I took some trades before. I want to see how they look like. Yeah, so I'm still down on the night. Like $600. It was a shitty night, but we'll see. We'll see if something can work out over here. Like even if I got a few of these, like if I got back up to yesterday's LAS, then it'd probably pretty much put me at break even for the night. I don't think I've had like tonight's night. I haven't had. So I've had this service for like 9 weeks now. I don't think I've had as bad as a night as I had tonight at all. Like I was like 50% or like 45%. Like it was really bad. Because typically the nights will be pretty easy for me to read and figure out. But for some reason tonight was just like, I don't know if like things were in my head or what, but something was definitely blocking me. See if we can get over this 250 to get to 4, to then get to 9. That would be nice. 9. It's my next level. We gotta work on 2 and 4 first. And oil over 18 is really good. So if oil can do that, we can get ES moving a little bit. But I need oil to do it. Here we go. Let's see. All right, one tick away.
Order filled.
All right, so I got filled in one. There we go. We're moving up. Oil looks like it's moving up too. I swear this 18 is so hard for oil. It gets over this 18, it's going to go to like 65, I swear. I'm going to pull this up to 45. I'm going to pull this up a little bit just to manage that risk. I need to get above 250 and stay above 250. Like I touched it and it came right back. See if we can push back up this time and get through this 250. 250 and then 450. Wonder what people on TikTok are doing. Oh my gosh, I have 99 notifications. That's a...
You guys know I like being transparent.
That's so funny. One of my members put a comment on my video where because we had a red day today, and he's like, "That's it. I want out of my membership. You're not allowed to have a losing day." He's so cute. Jake, you are so funny. Comments. Oh gosh, who is this person? Who is this person? Somebody is all over. Let me give this to him. Oh, oil finally moved too. I just noticed that. MetaTrader. I've never even seen them, these MetaTrader 4 and 5. I think a lot of people in other countries use them. Does the membership include trading or exclusive access to them? Material when you join on how to get set up. The app says the message is late. I know you take this because I'm doing it to do. People are so nice. And some people are just not so nice. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, so we're moving back up here. See if we can get another one taken off. I still have 3 left. We're getting a little push here. You can see oil is up nicely. Move this up a little bit. Come on, ES. Come on, ES. What are you doing? Plus that down at 98. I thought it was gonna move higher. Here we go. Moving up. Here we go. Look at this nice push. Look at this nice push. I'm trying to see that page where it shows. Oh, I might get stopped here.
Stop filled.
Alright, so I was stopped in that one. Let me take profit here. It's crazy you can't get over this 2.5. Oh, what is that? What is happening? Electricity's going out. Oh, now it's coming back up. No. It'll be super safe if I just wait for over 3102.50. But who likes safe? Oh, that's acting like that. Oh, there we go. See?
Order filled.
I definitely should have just stayed in. I should have pulled my stop down a little further. That's what kills me sometimes, is being like too tight. You gotta give it room to move. So we'll put this one at that 225 again. Put this one at 9. And 4. 250, 4. 7, 9. Like that. Like that, like that. See, if I just pulled it back a little, I would have still been in, and this would have been really, really good.
Order filled.
It helps a little bit. It helps, because I lost 400 on the last one. I'm also taking four positions, so that is why. Oil's moving up. I'm going to move this into the green, just so I don't really have to watch it. Come on, there we go. We got over that 250. Come on, you gotta stay over that 250 though. Stay over the 250. I'm gonna pull this up to 7. Here we go. We're moving up now, guys. See, I don't want to trail too close. There we go. About to hit this second one. I don't want to trail too close. Come on, 425. Remember, 4 is LIS from the other day too, so I'm trying to be cautious, but not too cautious because I want to give it room. It's just such a tight area. Like this 250, hopefully this 250 can hold. As long as the 250 can hold, then hopefully we can break through the 4, which is right here. You see oil's moving up nicely even more, so I'll move that up 1 tick. And this is the micro oil, so this is QM. Instead of the CL. Here we go. Let's get this push. Let's get this push for 425. It is 9:34 p.m. Let's get this push for 425. This 250 has to hold. It has been so far, which has been nice. But if it doesn't, I want to lock up some profit. It keeps touching it. It keeps touching 250. Come on, 3. 350, 450. Having a hard time with this 250, guys. I might have to be stopped out here. God, it looks so
Stop filled.
So I was stopped at I don't know, plus $50 or something, 75, something like that. If it runs now, and this is what it does, and then I get so mad at myself. There's no reason for me to really get out, you know. I just don't have like green on my trade, so I do that. But then if I get back in at a worse price, then there was no point to have even done that. Now if it pulls back and I get in at a better price, that's good. have to jump back in. I know this is going to fly. I just...
Order filled.
And being... See? There it goes. It's flying.
It's
flying. Did you see that? When it does that, it's like... Psh, psh. That means like there is a push. And it hit that level. It came back. I want this 9 overall. Here we go. This is the move up. This is the move up that I wanted. Here we go. So it's 525. Look at all these orders at 5.
Order filled.
There we go. This is exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I was looking for. I gotta keep going. We're above the 4 now, so we're through all those hard levels. We're through the 250. We're through the 450. Now it's just gotta keep going. Look at oil too. Shoot. I don't want to get taken out of here. I moved up my stop for oil just so I don't really have to watch it. Because it's smaller. And I'm already up like 10 ticks. I'm already up 15 ticks in oil. It's gotta hold this 450. I guess I should hold down here because really it's doing fine. There we go. See? Push it up. And then if it goes a little higher, I can bring it back up.
Stop filled.
Alright, so I've stopped in oil for $75, so that's fine. This is gonna pull back here. I don't think so. It's above my levels. Like, look, it's sitting right here. There we go. Next level I have is 9. So I really should even like bring some of these up. I'm gonna hold that. Well, still kind of in the same place, even with those winning trades. Because of that $400 one. If we could get this move up, this would be obviously really good. It would have been better if I would have stayed in the first one and not gotten stopped out, and if I would have stayed in the second one. So that's why I need to get better. Like, I need to practice holding trades longer and just trusting the trade. Because especially if it's getting through levels like this one is, like it got through the 250 and it got through the 450. So it's like, why would I be scared, you know? But obviously things can turn around, and like obviously that's a part of the markets and trading. But overall, this is looking pretty strong to make a move higher. At least to like what my targets are. It's not like I'm looking for like 25 points, you know? I'm looking for like 4 or 5 points. Even this one's just like 3 points. Let's see, it might happen now. Now I can move this back up, at least a little bit. After this trade, I'll probably call it a night. It's 9:40. Tomorrow's Friday. Got a lot to do. There you go, 575. Let's get to 6. Remember, I had my original sell at 45 for oil. Looks like it's getting there. No. Alright, we can see, here we go, moving back up a little bit. I'm glad I pulled that back. So if we go back to this 575 and push through, it was touching 575 and couldn't really get anywhere. Let's see if we can get through this. Here we go, 575. Come on, 6. Come on, 6. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what patience gets you. No. No, no, no. You can't go to 6 and then come like right back to 5. Just go to 6 and go to 7. Okay? Okay? Go to 7. Here we go. 6. All right, 575, 6. Push over this 6, we can get to 7. Move this up a little bit. Feeling a little stronger. I feel like it's holding this a little bit. Let's see. What time is it? 9:43. Kind of just bouncing around. I went up to 6. I kind of want a little more, but I might not get it at this point. I kind of just like keep bouncing on this like 450 level. I could just leave one open overnight, see what happens. Go to sleep. It's so hard for me to sleep if I have an open order on. I don't know, it's just not in my nature. Even if I have like a stop loss and like, I don't know, it still freaks me out that like something's gonna go wrong. Alright, if it takes me out here, it's fine. I'll just be out.
Stop filled.
Alright, so I'll stop to 450. That's fine. Probably just going to call it a night now. Even if it does continue up, we're just going to call it a night. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for checking out the stream. Bye.